Hey everyone, what's up? Today we've got my Boxycharm. It just came in the mail today. I'm so excited. Let's get started on this. I think this is a whole festival season, right? We've got Peace, Love, and Boxy. I think Coachella is just about to start happening. I think it's this weekend, right? So we got all of that. Let's go ahead and jump in here. The first thing we have is from Artist Couture, however you want to say that. And this is, I think it's like the Diamond Glow Powder, right? Yeah, I have one of these from a previous Boxycharm, but I think this one has a different color in it. And this is the color Purple Dream. So this is like super pretty. It's got like a golden peach color. I don't know if you can quite see that, but I guess it has a purple reflect shift in it. So that's exciting. It comes with a sifter, like a closing lid thing. So that's nice, so it doesn't get everywhere. So the next thing is from Appeal. This is the holographic lip gloss. I know that in previous Boxycharms they got like a liquid eyeshadow, and I didn't get it, but it looked really cute. So I'm kind of curious about this. I kind of want to try it. For claiming to be holographic, I was expecting it to be a little more holographic, but it's fine. It's pretty. And the next thing in here is going to be, ooh, yes, it's from Luxie, and these are beautifully colored. I love Luxie brushes so much. So these are kind of cool because they've got this ombre kind of gradient effect here where it goes from like orange to a pink. And so we've got like a little, what is this exactly? I don't know what they're calling it. So this is the Luxie 512. This is a small contouring brush. That's cool. This is the 245 small shader, and this is the 209 large shader. So obviously I love Luxie brushes. There are those, and they're so pretty, right? Look at those handles. Oh, so cute. Okay, happy about that. And this is from Bodyography. This is the Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. Let me see if I can get into this. And, ooh, see here, creamy. Okay. It's just an eye pencil. What am I gonna say, right? It's fine. And then there is one last thing in here. I was pretty excited about this just because I like the brand, not necessarily the colors, but this is from Pure. I'm a fan of Pure, and I know they've given quite a few things in previous Boxycharms, and I'm not mad about that. So this is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. And this is the festival palette. Of course it is, right? For Coachella. Looks like there's a couple samples in here of something. This is the Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Nice. It seems like there's a lot in here though for an eyeshadow primer because you don't use very much at a time. But so it's got this cute little design here with the sunglasses, and it says festival on it. Little aviators we're rocking here. So here are the colors. So we've got definitely some glitters, and we've got some really fun colors. So I mean, if you start looking inside of the palette, I mean, you could still do a pretty neutral look if you use like this color, this color, and then maybe used a little bit of like these. So this looks like a really fun palette, and I'm really excited to try it out. So the retail cost on this box is $126, and of course, as you know, Boxycharm is only $21 a month. So this is a really good box. I think even though I'm not as excited about every single color in here, I'm still pretty excited overall. Oh, it's pretty on the back too. It's got little palm trees and a Ferris wheel. I like that. So I definitely have to still give Boxycharm a 2 thumbs up. It's still my favorite subscription box. But there could be a new person in town, you know, for competition. I just started subscribing to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and so that is coming later this month, and we'll be able to do like a head-to-head and see which one is kind of like reigns supreme. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. This one is $21 a month. So we will see how that one goes, and that video will be up as soon as I get that box. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Hope you're having an awesome one. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.